Employee of the Year at a large business which consists of 50 or more employees. This award is public recognition of an individual who has demonstrated courage, motivation, and outstanding performance in overcoming obstacles in their personal rehabilitation and for dedication shown in productive employment. The 2022 Employee of the Year for a large business is Mark Robertson of Gadsden, Alabama.
I used to be a member here. I worked out a lot. Then I kept on asking, are y'all hiring? Y'all hiring? Y'all always gotta say, positive all the time. Well, one day, the manager here said, hey, Mark, we got an opening. First, I started learning, how to, clean the machines, billing and stuff like that. Then after a year passed, he moved me to maintenance. So maintenance is really where you just, take care of the machines and do the little side cleans that, people can't, get done during the weekdays. It's really an interesting job. You really do meet interesting characters here at Planet Fitness. I appreciate y'all considering me for the award. I was speechless when Miss Christy told me about it. And I want to say thank y'all for the opportunity that y'all give me to prove myself, in the workforce.
The 2022 Employee of the Year for a large business is Mark Robertson.